Okay, so we are Team 1. The name is Team 1 if you want to vote later on. And we are on the challenge number 4 for the Green and Smart Uppsala. And EcoLeaf is our solution to the challenge. There are 5 of us, Lucas, me, Martina, Mohit, and Philip. 3 of them are in Stockholm right now, and Mohit cannot come because he's sick. So can we go to the next slide? The introduction is EcoLeaf itself is a application that we use to generate credits, and you generate the credits by using less carbon footprint. So the idea is to change the habit of Uppsala citizen into becoming more sustainable and generating less carbon footprint. And then we encourage also the use of electric vehicle. And I'm gonna explain later on the next slide. So these are the benefits from our EcoLeaf application. The credits that you generate by walking and bicycle. I think first I have to mention the four ways that you can generate your credits. First is the most sustainable one, that you can generate your credits by walking or cycling. And then the second, there's a public transport. Of course, the transportation will be using biogas instead of gasoline. And the third one will be train, and the fourth will be flying. So the credits that you generate, you can reimburse them into lessening your queue length, because here in Sweden we understand we queue a lot, and this queuing is can be used for kindergarten. For example, you want to enter your kids to school, and then the housing, and there's also the pension queue, because when you're retired, you have to queue also for the retirement accommodation. And then other than the queuing points, you can also use the credits for buying eco-food discounts. And then we have also the options to transfer credits to pensioners, because let's say your parents cannot walk much more than you, and then it won't be fair for them to not able to generate the credits. So you can transfer the credits into pensioners. And then again, all of this is to change the behavior of the citizen of Uppsala. These are more or less the application interface. First, you have to log in one time only using your person number. And it's very important in Sweden, as we understand that everything is integrated, so the data will be used from the person number. And then this is your profile. You can see the history that how you generate your credits through here. And these are
Yeah, this is brilliant.
Thank you.
When you go live, these things can happen.
Yeah, technology is not my friend today. Thank you. And also the least way that you can generate your credits is through the flight, biodiesel, and gasoline car. So the next is, these are just the interface, and maybe you can go to the next slide. Yeah, these are the ways for generating credits. These are the options that you can use to exchange your Hello? Oh, cool. This is very fancy. So the credits that you generate can be reimbursed into this, or if you want to go somewhere for a road trip, because we know it's very cool. But you can also do it in a sustainable way by renting an electric vehicle. And can you go to the next slide? And also, we provide parking guide because the parking spaces in Uppsala is very limited. And there's also routes. So for example, you want to go from Gamla Uppsala to here, and there's a congestion in some routes in between. You have the options to see which one is the least congested, and with the air pollution indicator as well. So you will not go to the routes that has more air pollution, some sort. And I think that's all from us. Yep, if you want to see further, you can refer to the report. But I think it's not available for everyone. No? Sorry, guys. Is there
It
any
was
question?
brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
And the technical support of Sweco made a fantastic job because you have the microphone back. Really good as well. Any short question here?
yes?
Yeah, there.
Hello.
Hello.
I was just thinking that not so much a question as a comment, perhaps, but it would be amazing to see if you guys could integrate this system with the other group system, with the sensors on the garbage bins and the how to motivate people to cycle, and if you can have a credit system for that as well, that would be perhaps an interesting concept as well. Yes, welcome to Uppsala municipality, and we can try this out, perhaps. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Well, exactly when I see the other group's presentation, it was like, why can't we just work together, because it will be more impact for the change in behavior and these challenges. It's next year. Looking forward to it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.